Hello, in this video, I'll show you how to connect Shopify to Etsy. Now, it's a very easy process. So what you have to do is just simply open your browser, then just simply search for Shopify. After that, open your store using the first link. Now, just simply log into your own account. After that, once you're in your home page or the admin page of your Shopify store, what you have to do is just simply go to the online store section and just simply see that your theme is live. Now, once that is done, go to the app section and over here, just simply search for Etsy. And now wait for a few seconds or just simply hit enter. Now right over here, just simply choose this one. For most of you, this will be compatible with your store. For me, it is currently not compatible because my store is not running. So if your store is running and it's compatible with Etsy, you can just simply click on sync or install right over here and you will be good to go. So that's it. And if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.